by Victory Christian Fellowship and the Republic of the Philippines, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Palakpakan natin sila. Gusto ko sana magkwento pa kaya lang nakakatawa. What God has joined together, let it forever remain sacred, because you are now husband and wife, one in spirit and soul. And Eli, because you have taken on the responsibilities of a husband, you may now go to the reception. Ulitin ko. Eli, because you took the responsibility of being a husband, you may now kiss your wife. May isa pa raw. Parang walang, ano ba yan? Okay. Yung ating Miss Rotor.
More.
Kulang. 2 minutes.
10 seconds.
Okay. Labas po tayong lahat. Sige, one more kiss. Sige lang.
More.
Sige, no? Yan. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great joy and honor that I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Eli and Kim Asombrado.
Yeah.
Okay, palakpakan po natin sila. Congratulations. Okay. And to end this ceremony, I would like to invite everyone to stand up as we end in prayer. Lord, we thank you sa masayang